We're going to talk about the Sankalp now. Now, what is a Sankalp? It's an intention. In today's time, we can also call it affirmation or manifestation. It's a vow that you're taking for your own self. Now, Sankalp is taken twice in the practice of Yoga Nidra, one in the beginning after the stage of internalization, which is the second stage, and by the end of it, before we externalize. So in the beginning of the practice, when we are using the Sankalp, it is like sowing a seed in that mind space of yours. And when you're repeating it again in the end of the practice or before the end of the practice, it is basically like watering that seed that you sowed and now it's rooting. This Sankalp has to be very short, it has to be positive, it has to be in the present tense. It has to be repeated 3 times mentally during the practice. And it is something that you need to believe in. If you do not believe in the Sankalpa, it will not work for you. It has to be, for example, if you're using one Sankalp to achieve something for a certain period of time, then that Sankalp has to be repeated till we have achieved that. If there is an emergency and we want to work on another Sankalp, you can definitely put this Sankalp on hold and you can use another Sankalp till it is achieved and then get back to this Sankalp which you were working on before. But you can't mix 2 Sankalps at one time. Sankalp is basically working on your subconscious mind, where you are actually rewiring the subconscious mind by planting an intention which you really want to work for your purpose of life. You have to believe that your Sankalp is already worked for you, it is already given you what you wanted to achieve. And trust me, it really works. So, some examples of Sankalp can be like, I am calm and peaceful, I have achieved my manifested purpose, I am earning a set of amount which I want to, or I'm living my purpose, I am healthy, I am happy, and I am 55 kgs. You can work out your Sankalpas. These are very simple and very generic purposes, but Sankalp can work wonders when used with therapy also.